If your airbag has inflated because you fell off your horse or got off without releasing the leash, well, it can happen to anyone. You will need to replace the gas cartridge. In this video, I'm going to show you how. Ready? To replace the cartridge on your Twistair airbag, you will need a new gas cartridge, the Allen key located at the rear of the trigger system, and the ball-shaped release pin at the end of the leash. This should still be attached to your saddle. Before doing anything else, quickly check the integrity of your airbag. Check the plastic casing and any airbag seams to make sure they're not damaged. If a seam has come loose or a part of the plastic has become damaged, we advise you not to use your airbag but to contact InMotion directly. There are 3 steps to replacing the cartridge. 1. Remove the old cartridge. 2. Reset the trigger. 3. Insert the new cartridge. Step 1. Removing the old cartridge. To remove the cartridge, slide down the 2 side latches on the trigger system. While holding the 2 latches in the down position, place your other hand under the cartridge and lever it out gently. Then remove all the air from your airbag. Step 2. Resetting the trigger. Important safety tip: never place your fingers near the pistons. Using the Allen key located at the rear of the trigger, unscrew the stopper plug until you see the word stop. Make sure to stop before you see the red line. If you do see the red line, just screw the plug back in slightly. Using the Allen key, push down the first piston until the side hole is aligned with the opening in the trigger. Again, using the Allen key, push pistons 2, 3, and 4 back down into their cylinders. Insert the pin into the opening on the trigger, making sure it's pushed down. While holding the pin down with your thumb, screw the stopper plug inwards until the arrow on the plug is aligned with the arrow on the trigger. Step 3. Inserting the new cartridge. Take the new cartridge and clip it down onto the trigger. Hold it in place with the elasticated strap. Last of all, insert the Allen key back into its slot to be sure not to lose it. You're now ready to get back on your horse.